Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G200, and today I would like to show you how you can change the Wood apps on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access Play Store and download your new Wood app. In my case, it will be Opera Mini. You need to download it, don't have to open it, and when it's ready, click Home button. Now go into Device Settings, choose Apps and Notifications, tap on Advanced, and finally click on Wood apps. Now you need to click on one of those sections. I want to change my browser apps, I have to click over here and pick my new default browser. I want to set up Opera, so now when I go back, I can see that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!